Some of the stock that we currently have at Jackson Audio, we've got these Technics SBCS 50s, I believe, are they 50s? Let's have a look. They are 50s. We've got Pioneer SA 520. Lovely. A very nice amplifier. Some with the blue lights. Pristine condition. Cambridge Audio CD player needs a service because the draw sticks slightly. And as you can see, we've got the pair of Technics. Some good stuff. That SLP J28 is going to be on eBay very soon. Cleaned up really nice, as you can see. Extensively tested. It just reads discs perfectly. So, test speakers, because you've got to have a set of test speakers, haven't you? All manner of cables, and one of those, which again I think is for testing. I think it's just going to be hanging around for testing and for workshop things, I suppose. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Jackson Audio is now open. First few bits of stock. Don't think we'll be selling the SA520 because it's been here quite some time, and it's good for testing things. So I think we'll keep hold of that. But yes, there's more stock coming in shortly. So keep your eyes open for speakers, turntables, CD players, tape decks, all manner of things. Thanks.